MIT researchers have developed a way to co-package photonic chips with electronic parts. The impact such a device could have on our data-hungry businesses. Taking your spectrometer on the go, how one university team leveraged a tiny photodetector to create a smartphone-ready device. And SPIE adds 92 senior members. We'll highlight some of the names getting well-deserved recognition for their contributions to our industry. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Thor Labs, pioneering photonics technologies to accelerate research and development. Visit thorlabs.com to learn more. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Photonic interconnect solutions developer Teramount has raised $50 million to grow its team and scale up production of its optical interconnect technology. Koch Disruptive Technologies, AMD Ventures, Hitachi Ventures, and Samsung Catalyst Fund are among the latest investors to back the company. Teramount's scalable fiber-to-chip interconnect solution targets AI, data center, and advanced computing applications. Designer and manufacturer of programmable photonics chips, Ephos, will build a new manufacturing facility in Italy thanks to a $48 million grant. That money comes from the Ministry of Enterprises and Made in Italy as part of the EU CHIPS Act. Fab 2 will allow Ephos to scale production for its ultra-low-loss photonic solutions. Ephos had opened its first R&D and manufacturing facility, Fab 1, just last September. Researchers from MIT's FUTUR-IC team have developed a way to co-package photonic chips with electronic counterparts. The team has debuted a patented device called an evanescent coupler that increases the alignment tolerance in connecting the fibers within the electronic photonic package. Scientists on the project say this advancement can solve several problems commonly associated with the current co-packaging process. This evanescent coupler offers more flexibility in connecting optical fibers with electronic photonic package compared to today's couplers that have a single coupling point. The new device could offer companies a path to faster and more energy-efficient data communication. Scientists at North Carolina State University have demonstrated a spectrometer that's small enough for a smartphone and can still measure wavelengths of light from ultraviolet to the near infrared. We know spectrometers are used in everything from manufacturing to medical diagnostics. This new device is compact, operates quickly and at a low voltage, and is sensitive to a wide spectrum of light. And if that's not impressive enough, these researchers believe they can make it even smaller. A new self-driving imaging system can track and analyze protein aggregation that's linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The accumulation of misfolded proteins in the brain is central to the progression of those diseases. But proteins that are destined to form these harmful aggregates are normally indistinguishable from normal proteins. But using deep learning, researchers from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, Lausanne, leveraged several imaging systems to track and analyze protein aggregation in real time, offering the potential to obtain new insight and understanding of those and other neurodiseases. SPIE has elected Kyle J. Myers as its 2026 vice president. Peter DeGroot, this year's president, made that announcement earlier this week. Myers is the founder and principal of Puente Solutions. She will serve as president-elect in 2027 and president in 2028. Serving alongside Myers next year, University of Rochester professor Julie Bentley will serve as the 2026 president, and Cather Simpson from the University of Auckland will serve as president-elect. And SPIE has added 92 new senior members with backgrounds ranging from academia, industry, and government. These members, hailing from 19 different countries, are being recognized for their professional experience and technical accomplishments, as well as other contributions to the optics community. Among the new members are optics historian and laser expert Jeff Hecht, Vicki Philipson, a lithography engineer with IMEC, and Lawrence Livermore National Laboratories' Diana Chen. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in our industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.